So, Koso heated grips are good, but this switch is bad. It lasted only some months. So I replace it with my own design switch, like this one. You can put it heated grips on and off. It's much better now. All you need to do is get rid of this cable that comes from the original switch. Then you need to connect all the black ones together and all the white ones together. And after that, take your cables to the switch. Can't see very well, but it's over here. And make sure to use some insulate tape over here. Then it's good, works fine.